welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. I'm going to apologize up front here. The audio for this video was extremely poor quality for some reason, so I'm going to attempt to voice over this chapter. In this chapter, we're going to be stacking our light frames using the image integration process. So let's get at it. So the first thing we need to do is open up our image integration process, reset that process to defaults, and then let's open up our lights. And then we're going to add our drizzle files. And next we're going to add our local normalization files. Now, one thing I want to point out here is you'll see the D and the N representing the drizzle and normalization tags. Alright, under combination we're going to leave it as average. Normalization, we're going to choose local normalization. For weights, we're going to select the fits keyword. And we're going to type in that keyword we used when we used the subframe selector. So it's going to be SS weight. Alright, and the rest of these boxes we're going to leave checked as default. We're going to generate the drizzle data since we are following the tutorial. Alright, now we're going to go into pixel rejection. And again, this is based on our number of images. We're going to use local normalization under normalization, and we're going to uncheck the clip flow range, and then we're going to apply global, and we'll be back when this completes. Alright, that took about 2 hours and 38 minutes. So next thing we're going to need to do is save our file. We're just going to go ahead and create our process icon first. We're going to move that over to our list. We'll go ahead and close that out. Alright, and now let's save this integrated file. And let's just do a quick stretch on this and see what type of data we have. Not too bad, we can work with that. Alright, let's go ahead and unstretch this. And just for curiosity's sake, I want to do an ABE, an automatic background extraction. I want to see what I'm working with. So we're just going to leave it all as default. Expand that out, stretch it. Oh, I always seem to forget to select subtraction. So let's redo this. Alright, now let's expand it, stretch it. Blotchy, but might be able to do something with that. But the drizzled data is going to look about the same, just twice the resolution. So at least we got data to work with. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. See you in the next chapter. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose. Ring that bell if you want to get notified when I post something new. And as always, clear skies.